Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and look what came in the mail today. I'm super excited. I believe this has the distinctive stamp set, and I've been waiting and waiting to see it because I love it. It looks so realistic. So let's open it up. I have stayed away from the internet to be able to be completely surprised because I had a little spoiler alert last time. Speaking of spoiler alert, look at this. This is the next paper pumpkin kit, and it is by Shelly Gardner, who is the co-founder of Stampin' Up. And so it says here you have from April 11th, which is now, until May 10th to sign up for this one. And you guys, I've seen it already. It is super, super cute. And look at this lovely box too. So you'll want to check that out. And here we go. This is the distinctive set. Let's look at it. Well, first we've got the gray granite stamp spot. And then we've got, I'm going to have to get my sheet of white paper out so you can see it. Let's see. There we go. Look at that. The flower is so pretty. It says best wishes. Lots of leaves. I know there's only 3, but it'll make lots because there's so many. These look like just little dots. Happy Mother's Day. Thinking of you. Happy birthday. Congratulations. Thank you. And for you. How cute are those? All right. Let's see what else. I think, is this giving it away? Does it look like this? I don't think so because I don't see a stamp set that says I'm lucky to have a friend like you. So let's check it out. Oh no. Yeah, these are so much prettier. Oh, you guys, here's my host code from April 16th through the 30th. So check it out. And you guys, also, you can always go to beautyandthestamper.com if you want to go and you miss any of my information that I give you. So if I give you, my link and you can't remember it, you're out and about, just remember beautyandthestamper.com and you'll find it. So I'm so excited to be back in my craft room again. And I've had so many of you guys asking for to see more stamping, and I've had some more DIY requests and some Bible journaling requests. So I am super looking forward to be able to share all of your requests with you. But for right now, we're going to open this because I'm super excited about it. All right, let's see what we've got. Of course, we get the instructions. It looks like we have an acetate box here. We've got, look at those flowers. See how beautiful they are? They look real. I cannot wait, you guys. We're going to do Monday live. So we're going to put this together live on Monday. So make sure if you're not subscribed already, hit subscribe because I love working with you guys. Of course, it gives us all the instructions to make our cards. I'm going to keep them, but you guys know we never use them. It has a belly band here, and this is going to go around your acetate box. So I'm assuming there's an acetate box in here. Yeah, there we go. So we've got a box. I always save all of these guys. And we've got some tags. These little guys look like tickets. Those are so cute. And then, of course, some flags and a couple tags there. We've got our envelopes. And, oh, different. So we've got some yellow there. We've got some coral there. And it looks like some mint or sea foam. No, that's not going to be sea foam yet, is it? I don't know. It usually has the colors. Let's see. Mint macaron. So we've got basic black, calypso coral, flirty flamingo, gray granite, mint macaron, and so saffron. So that's the so saffron. Alrighty. So excited already for the new colors. That's why I said seafoam. Okay, let's look at what we've got here. It looks like we've got some kind of watercolor looking paper. Same here. I bet we're going to be stamping on these. Oh my goodness. We've got these beautiful flowers stamped for us as well. They're not stamped, they're kind of photo. And then we've got some corrugated squares. You guys, I just want to put it together now, but I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for all of us to get them, so we'll do it on Monday. So we've got some bases here. And I think I'm going to do it at Monday at, I think I'm going to do it at 2 p.m. my time. So that's what we'll do. Monday, 2 p.m. my time, which is Pacific. So we've got some great backgrounds. We've got some corrugated tags and flags here. We've got some more bases with the So Saffron. Oh, we're going to be making so many great cards. And then we've got this little punch out. Oh, this is going to be for the top of the box. Okay, so you make these cards and then you put them in the box and then it's going to make like a gift to give to somebody. Oh, so sweet. How fun is that going to be? A little handmade gift. So that's what that is. Now, let's see here. What are the goodies? Because I see, of course, we've got our dimensionals. And we've got our dots, glue dots. But check these out. Oh, look at those little enamel dots. How cute are these? And then we've got some Whisper White twine as well. There we go. How cute. Okay. You guys, this is such a cute one. And I only bought one. Oh, I should have bought more. These would make great Mother's Day gifts. Oh, we're going to come up with some nice ones. I cannot wait to use this stamp. And then that's going to just be colored in so pretty with the Stampin' Blends or some whatever you choose to color with. But all right, you guys. So what time did I say? 2 o'clock. I'm going to write that. I'm going to write it on this side so I will remember. Let me get my little pens out. And yeah, make sure you subscribe. So we're going to do the Paper Pumpkin Live. Monday at 2 p.m. Pacific. Okay, there you guys go. I hope that I see you live and come up with some ideas because we are going to make some great cards. I've been away for a while, so when we do the live, I want it to be like, I don't even know. I want to make more than just 1 or 2 cards. I don't know about you, but I do. All right, guys. If you have not ordered your paper pumpkin yet, you will miss out on this one, but hopefully you'll be able to do the make it with us, which again is going to be the So Shelley kit. So, or inspired by Shelley. All right, beauties. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.